Now here is an interesting freshwater aquarium with plenty of life plants and gigantic dogwood. Look at that. And the beautiful angel fishes are here. Now what? There's almost about 3 feet, right? About 3 feet.
80 centimeter.
Yeah,
80, 50.
Okay. So 80 centimeters square, and then 50 high with some nice lighting system on top. Now it's like the fishes, either they like me or they are hungry, whichever of the two.
They like you.
Amazon guys. They call the angel crazy surface fish because when farmers, fishermen want to capture them, they slap their paddle on the water, and then the fishes jump up scared, and then they just capture them. But they are arguably the king of aquarium fish, with due respect to the discus fish. You know, they are the most popular when it comes to sales, and they seem to be happy right in this tank. A tank said just about yesterday, see the water crystal clear. My gigantic dogwood. This is an underwater forest. Oh my God. Now, I need to say, okay, it's run by a small filter, the power filter at the back, and then we have the water heater to make sure the temperature of the water is ideal. Beautiful. On a splint. If you love this, then give me a shout, and I'll let you know how much you cost for. There's some harlequins at the back. Okay. MrFish speaking. If you're interested in something similar, just give me a call. Speaking from Interzuye number, Germany.